So guys, uangalie wapo wasalimia hapa.
Kopoa wazee. Hii ni kopoa. Angalieni hiyo shamba muione hiyo.
Yeah, this is the garden he's talking about. We have I don't know what we call this, like
black
beans.
Maize.
We have maize here. So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Claudia Works, for those who are new here. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support this beautiful girl. Road to 10,000 subscribers. We are almost 5,000, but we road to 10,000 subscribers. And on today's video, I'm coming live from these beautiful streets of Eastleigh. You can see the apartments. Yes. Which is the name of this place? Street, eh? Okay. So guys, today it's a special day for me. Actually, yesterday I was in the street. Okay, I'm sitting down to give you a story, though I'm not a good storyteller, and you know that. So yesterday I was walking in the streets and I met this man, let me call him man, who was wearing like a Jamaican. He's a Rastafarian, and you know I'm a Jamaican girl. Yes, I'm a Jamaican girl and I love Jamaica so much. So I'm trying to get more information about Jamaica. So I met this guy, we just bumped into the streets and I was like, hi, this guy looks like a Jamaican. He's a Rastafarian. Then we talked, but that was behind the camera, and we agreed to meet today. So today I'm going to meet him, and this is the place I'm waiting for him, guys. So he is around. He's coming to meet me here because I don't know Eastleigh well, you know. I know some streets, but this street is kinda I'm new to it. So I'm just relaxing here, waiting for him, and today we'll be talking about Rastafarianism. Are you a Rastafarian? Do you have dreads? Do you think you need to have dreads to become a Rastafarian? What are some of the beliefs you guys believe in if you are a Rastafarian? What are some of the spiritual, social, and even I have my friend here. Say hi.
Hi.
I met him yesterday. So guys, what are some of your cultural, social, spiritual beliefs do you have? And I've got a lot of questions for him. So stay here, don't go anywhere. If you are watching this video for the first time, kindly subscribe. Take me to 10,000 subscribers. Any day, anytime. You can't get bored with Claudia Works. I'm telling you guys. So let's get into the Rastafarian. I don't know whether he is a Jamaican or a Kenyan, but I think he will introduce himself into this video and get to know more about Rastafarian. So don't go anywhere, subscribe. Yeah. So guys, my mzee is somewhere there coming. You see him? He's there coming. Look how he's dressed like a Jamaican. Jamaica.
Yes.
How are you doing? Sawa, we have been waiting for you.
Yeah.
Sasa umefika. Haya, kuja tukae hapa sasa tuanze. Hebu simama saidi kuna light. Yeah. Meeting this Jamaican guy, Rastafarian in Eastleigh. So guys, let's talk to him and know what he knows about Rastafarianism. So stay here, don't go anywhere. So guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. I'm coming live from the streets of, should I say the streets?
Eastleigh.
No, we are coming from Jamaica. Anyway, we are Kingston, Jamaica. So guys, we are coming live from Nairobi, Kenya, Africa. For those who are watching for the first time, welcome and welcome again. If you're watching for the first time, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, road to 10,000 subscribers. And guys, on today's video, I'm so excited to have met don't go anywhere. So today I will let him introduce himself. I don't know whether it is a Kenyan or a Jamaican, but anyway. Introduce yourself.
My name is Rasta Francis for Nina from Kenya.
From Kenya.
Yeah, by this call me Mwana Beast. Mwana Beast.
Oh, wacha nisonge hivi kidogo at least
Yeah.
Okay, your name. Okay, nilikuwa na focus na vitu zingine yake. I'm sorry.
Oh, no,
okay, introduce yourself.
Yeah, my name is Francis Nina from Kenya.
From Kenya.
Nairobi City. Yeah.
Okay. You are a Rastafarian.
Yes, I am a Rastafarian. And I like this.
You like this?
Yeah,
are you a Kenyan? Are you a Jamaican? Because from the way you have dressed, from the head to toe, it's like, hey guys, Jamaica.
You know me. Yes. You know me. Apart from where I have come from, I don't know my what do you call this? Because me, you know, me, I'm a son of a woman.
Oh,
so I don't know. I don't know if my father was from Jamaican or Elysian or Shashamane.
Ethiopia.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I don't know my biological father.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm sorry for that.
Yeah, man.
But El Selassie is here for us, right?
Yeah, man. Yes.
So can you greet us in like a Rastafarian? How do you greet each other?
Hi Rasta, Wali is in problem solver. Is there in Wali is in problem solver? Things are gone.
Oh, that's how you greet each other.
Yeah, things are gone.
Wagwan!
Say things are going is say no Wali is no problem solver. Yeah, man.
You don't know. You know how the thing go? Oh my God! Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. For how long have you been into this Rastafarianism movement? It's like, yeah. For how long?
Almost about from early 80s.
Early 80s.
Yeah.
So you are this old.
Yeah, man.
Hey guys, I'm that privileged. I'm that privileged. Let me say so. To have met this old man. But he does not look.
I'm not that too old.
He is not that old, guys. He's not that too old. Anyway, guys. So, okay, today I just want to know more about who is a Rastafarian or a Rasta person. Yeah.
And Rasta is a peaceful man.
He's a peaceful man.
Yeah. Rasta, we like peace. We like solidarity. Yeah, man.
Oh, that is from Marcus Garvey, right? If you're watching
from my father,
Bob Marley.
Yeah.
Okay.
He used to call him my father because he's the teacher.
The teacher. Okay, what inspired you to become a Rastafarian or a Rasta person?
Me, what inspired me is the life that my father, Bob Marley, for what I heard about his history.
Angalia kamera juu ya sauti.
I had for what I heard
Inaonekana
about.
vizuri?
I don't know. For I come to learn about him from the music he used to sing. Yeah, about his old country, Jamaican, and where they were stolen as slaves. I was so sorry to have the story from where they were stolen, where they were taken. So I like this story because even me also have passed through this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And what are some of your beliefs, like you as a Rastafarian?
Believe like
Kama, do you believe in
Jesus Christ, Bob Marley? I'm a Christian also.
You are Christian,
yeah. And I like to follow Jesus Christ's life.
But I heard that you believe in El Selassie, who is your Messiah.
Our Messiah, but our Creator is Jesus.
Your Creator is Jesus.
Yeah, and God.
Okay, and God,
His Father.
Okay, do you love being a Rastafarian?
I like this much.
You like this much?
Yeah, man.
Hey guys, look at from art, jackets, everything about this man. Actually, I love Jamaica, and that's what being a Jamaican girl. I'm not a Jamaican girl, but I love Jamaica. But I'm trying to learn more about his culture, their beliefs, and all that about Rastafarianism.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you tell us about the historical roots? The historical roots of these movements.
It's a big story because they were stolen from their own land, Jamaica, and they were taken from there. They were taken to other parts of the country, of the world, as they are slaves.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my God, that was like in which year?
Early 70s.
Early 70s.
Yeah.
Okay, nishikilia hapa kidogo. Na usitingishe mkono. Najua utachoka. Kaa chini. Yeah? So, oh, let me hold this, man. Today I'm coming live from my life of a Rastafarian here in Kenya, Africa. So, okay, do you think you are a Rastafarian from Kenya? I thought you are from Jamaica because you are wearing a jacket from Jamaica and all that. Anyway,
because I like their life.
you love their Jamaican life. Oh, Jamaica! So, do you think there is a difference between Kenyan or African Rastafarian and Caribbean Rastafarian?
There is no, they are just all the same.
Caribbean hapa ndio sauti.
They are just all the same.
They are just all the same.
Yeah, because a Rastafarian is a Rastafari.
Okay.
A true Rasta is a Rasta.
Oh.
Amen.
About your Messiah.
Yeah.
You believe in, what about El Selassie?
Selassie is also our mediator.
Your mediator.
Yeah.
About Bob Marley?
That is our father. Rastafari.
Okay. Oh, I have another question.
Amen.
Being a Rastafarian, oh my God, just excuse us. We are somewhere.
No,
and the noise is too much. So, being a Rastafarian, do you have that those challenges which you normally encounter?
You know, yeah, there are some.
There are some, like which ones?
When people seeing a Rastafari wearing dreadlocks, they used to see as if it's someone like drugs, any kind of that bad school.
Yeah, but like, okay, it's not like it's a real story here in Kenya, Africa. For me, while I was growing up, I don't know whether we are audible enough, but guys, you will bear with us. While I was growing up, I knew that people with Rasta are evil people. They are bad people. But with time, I come to realize that Rastafarians are the
Peaceful
best people you can ever have.
They are peaceful people.
Yes, they love peace, and people think that they are mad people. Can you talk about that?
I know this because I'm a Rastafari. I like peace. I like sharing with friends. I fear God also, and I like everyone, everybody.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, you know the history of Jamaican Rastafarians?
A little bit.
Oh, can you talk about Marcus Garvey?
Marcus Garvey.
Yes. He was a political leader there.
He was just a police and they used to deal with the government there.
Yeah.
They tortured him much.
They tortured him, eh?
Yeah.
Okay.
But he still started with his own reality.
Oh, he talked the reality and he preached about peace.
Reality, yeah.
You know, he played a major role in, he played a major role in shaping the, I think gave rise to the Rastafarianism, right? Okay, about that, eh?
Yeah.
Do Rastas marry?
Yeah, they used to marry. Because what I know about Bob Marley, he had almost 12 wives.
12 wives, eh?
Yeah, yeah.
So a Rasta person, a Rasta man can marry even more than one wife.
No worries. He can.
Okay, so guys, if a Rasta man marries a wife, they don't call them we call them women. They call them empress, queens.
Queens, yeah.
Yeah, they are called queens.
Yeah.
Okay, what are the symbols of, I don't know whether I'm pronouncing it correctly.
Yeah.
Symbols of a
Proceed.
Rastafarian.
Symbol. Symbol. One is dreadlocks.
Dreadlocks.
What else?
Me, I know one.
Tell me.
Lion.
Lion tribe.
What does
used to deal with
lion? What does lion mean?
Because you know, lion is the animal big in the jungle. And he fear no one. He fears no
one.
No any animal in the
king of the someone says knows. King of the the person behind the camera also knows. The king of the jungle. Okay, another thing, there's some symbol or symbol. Gani,
talk about ganja.
Ganja. The weed. People here in Kenya love weed so much, but it's not allowed.
Some. Not all, some.
Okay. Another thing.
Rastafari don't like drinking beer.
Oh, they don't drink.
They normally used to need ganja.
The ganja. So they don't take alcohol completely.
Not much. They used to need ganja.
Okay, let's talk about you Rastafarian having your own symbols. You also have your own colors.
That's true. I used to call them true colors.
True colors.
Yeah.
Which colors? Like name the colors you have.
Red, green, and yellow.
Red, green, and yellow. And I heard that each color has got its own meaning.
Yeah.
What does the red mean? Guys,
It's a mean our own blood. It's a mean about blood. The blood that the ministry used to be. The blood they used to what do you call this? Yeah. When they were conquering, they were fighting the enemies.
Oh, good job, Utambie. Come here, tell us. No, come here, tell us.
Proceed.
Okay, about the yellow.
Yellow means peace.
And which other color have you seen?
Green.
Green, what does?
Our own country.
The environment.
Motherland.
Hey, my God, I'm learning, guys. And so, guys, if you are watching this video and you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe because of this Rastafarian. Man, give him a like.
No, me not.
Yeah. So, another question. Rasta, you guys talk about your diet. The kind of food you eat. Yes.
We like cereals, vegetables, and milk also. So you don't eat meat. We don't rely with meat.
But I see some people eating chicken.
Yeah, we also like it, but not always. Sometimes we used to take white meat. Yeah.
Okay. Guys, let me know in the comment. Are you a Rastafarian? Do you have that diet of a Rastafarian? Come to Sediane hapa.
Yeah, we used to call vegetarians. Yeah.
Okay.
Light, yeah.
Can I ask you? This is a bit scared. It's not a bit. It's a bit scaring question. Okay, I heard that Rastafarians don't attend burials. Is that true?
I had not learned about this.
Okay.
For me, I used to attend.
Oh, you attend.
Yeah.
Also, another thing, if you know about that, just comment by. I just add. It's not that something I have facts about. And also, I heard that once someone dies, you have Rastafarians cut. It's not like someone. When a Rastafarian dies, the friends or the people around cut their hair. Is that true?
I don't learn about this. Yeah.
Okay. So about talking of
Dietary.
yes, thank you.
I don't have anything about me.
Oh, this guy don't practice witchcraft. They don't. They don't. Talking of which other? Is there something I've left? You want to know about Rastafarianism movement, the history and all that. Okay, apart from that, maybe someone is watching this video and want to know about your life here in Kenya, Africa. You can still let us know about you being a Rastafarian.
Me, I'm just a survivor.
You are just a survivor. Okay. Yesterday when we bumped into each other in the street, you talked, we did not get into details about your life, but you said that you have like a stroke.
I got stroke on 2016.
Can you tell them? Maybe someone is watching there, and maybe you want to help you.
Me, I got stroke on 2016, but I didn't really give up. I'm still
you got a stroke in 2016, but he's just surviving. He has not given up on his life.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I'm proceeding with my exercise.
Therapy.
Yeah, therapy, medicines, talking with people to cool down my temper or stress. That's the way I used to stay.
Okay.
But I'm still getting up.
So you are under medication?
Yeah, I'm under medication.
So guys, if you are watching this video, I don't know where you are watching this video from, but if you want to help this Rastafarian to get back into his feet, just if you have WhatsApp, not WhatsApp, you can still contact me on my email, which is on my bio. Also, you can still reach him out. I know I'm loud enough. The reason why I'm shouting, we are here. The vehicles are passing, the motorbikes and all that. So you have to excuse us. So guys, you can still give them your number if anyone wants to reach you. Yeah, give them your number.
My number, telephone number.
Yes.
My telephone number is...
Start with 254.
Sorry?
Start with 254.
254 0721.
No, don't mention the 0.
Yeah.
Just 254.
Yeah.
Then you go straight to 7. 254.
Yes.
254.
7 21 265 176.
Repeat again. 254 7
21
yes
265 176.
So also guys,
my Safaricom number.
That is Safaricom number.
Yeah, man.
Also guys, I will put his number below on the link. If you want to get in touch with him and maybe you have some words to encourage him, you want to support him, he is under therapy, and you know therapy is all about money, and also he is under medication too. So if you want to give him support, you can still get in touch with him. And also if you can't reach him out, my email is on my bio. You can still reach me out. I'm also on Instagram, Claudia Works. Okay, yes, you know how we do things, you know how the thing go. Yeah, just okay, final word to maybe your fellow Rastafarian. What can you tell them? Okay, before we go there, actually half of my subscribers are from Jamaica. They are Rastafarians. Yes, so you can still tell anyone who will watch this video something.
Me, I just tell them to keep up,
Yeah.
be strong, and be with God all the time they used to stay.
Yeah.
Okay, man.
Greet them in Rastafarian way.
Things are going, brothers and sisters all over. I love you very much. Me, my name is Francis Mwanabeste. They used to call me here in Kenya.
Okay.
Rastafarian.
Yeah. So before I end this video, guys, there is this one question I just forgot.
Yeah.
Do Rastafarians smoke? Do they smoke?
They don't like cigarettes. They used to smoke ganja, but they don't like smoking cigarettes.
So they don't. They smoke ganja, but
Yeah,
not
man.
cigarettes.
No cigarettes.
So I know I'm shouting, but you'll have to bear with me. I don't have mic today. So before taking those ganjas, the weed, do you normally pray before taking them?
We used to play all the time. Morning, afternoon, we used to play.
Okay.
Because Jai is our mediator.
Okay.
Yeah.
So before we go, being a Rastafarian, you can still sing for us one Rastafarian. Hey, I don't know. Anyway, sing for us one Rastafarian song. Maybe it's from Bob Marley or someone who is a Rastafarian. An artist.
One love.
Yes.
I'm so confused. I'm confused somehow. Sorry.
Sorry for that, guys. But okay, compose yourself and sing for my fans. They will be your fans too. I know they will get in touch with me or they will get in touch with you. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You know. Wow, God. Yeah. So, guys, let's end this video at this time. I hope you have enjoyed it. And if you come across this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe. Road to 10,000 subscribers. So, guys, see you in the next one. And before I go,
No, we not all.
yes,
Yeah, man.
say hi to my. You were behind my camera.
Yeah.
Say hi to my fans.
Hi, subscribe.
And apart from that, we have another man over there. Ngoja nikuja hapo, nishi hapo.
Hi guys, subscribe to Claudia Walks.
Are you a Rastafarian?
No, I'm a Muslim.
You are Muslim. Oh, thank you so much. Guys, he is a Muslim and we are coming to Muslims too. We are from Rastafarians, but next we are going to Muslims anyway.
That's good.
Tell them
Welcome.
Welcome. Thank
Welcome,
you
you
so much.
guys.
Thank you so much.
Subscribe. Rodia Walker.
Yes.
Subscribe.
Coming live from these beautiful streets of Easily, man. And today we had our Rastafarian man over here.
Yeah, man.
So, yeah.
Love Inoto used to say love Inoto to them.
Okay.
Jah love and protect.
Thank you.
Yeah, man.
Okay, man. So guys, let's end this video at this moment. I hope you all enjoyed. See you in the next one. Bye bye.
Thanks.
Sawa.